Is this the biggest federal spending cut in modern American history? President Donald Trump just proposed slashing $163 billion from the budget, and it could dramatically reshape the role of government in America. President Donald Trump has unveiled a sweeping budget proposal that would cut $163 billion in federal spending next fiscal year, potentially reducing domestic government funding to its lowest level in modern history. In his first major budget plan since returning to office, Trump outlined a conservative vision aimed at shrinking the size and scope of the federal government. The proposal targets a wide range of domestic programs, including education, public health, climate initiatives, housing assistance, and social services that support low-income Americans. Among the most notable reductions are cuts to federal law enforcement agencies, such as the FBI, as well as a significant scaling back of funding for the Internal Revenue Service, particularly its tax enforcement efforts. The proposal would also eliminate billions of dollars allocated for clean water infrastructure projects across the country. Public health and scientific research would face some of the steepest reductions. The National Institutes of Health and the Centers for Disease Prevention and Prevention would see their budgets reduced by roughly 50%, a move that could reshape federally funded medical research and disease prevention programs nationwide. At the same time, the proposal calls for restructuring rental assistance programs for low-income families, cutting more than $26 billion next year. It also recommends ending a federal heating assistance program that helps vulnerable households pay winter energy bills. However, while domestic programs would see deep cuts, defense and border security would receive major increases. Trump is asking Congress to approve more than $43 billion in additional funding for the Department of Homeland Security to strengthen immigration enforcement, accelerate deportations, and continue construction along the U.S.-Mexico border. The president is also requesting more than $1 trillion for the military next fiscal year, emphasizing what his administration describes as a commitment to peace through strength. Democrats quickly criticized the proposal, calling it harmful to working families, while some Republicans have raised concerns about how the military increase would be structured. The debate now moves to Congress, where lawmakers will decide how much of the president's blueprint becomes reality. If enacted, this budget would mark one of the most dramatic shifts in federal spending priorities in decades, reshaping how Washington funds domestic programs, national defense, and social support systems.